My name is Jeff Brewer, and I help 6- and 7-figure entrepreneurs who have plateaued in their launch results to skyrocket their results to new heights by implementing launch hacks from the top marketers in the world. So I came to Michelle knowing that on one hand, we were doing really successful online launches, multiple 6-figure launches for different companies online, but the time had come for me to do my own launch and launch my own community online. So first, I was just looking for what was the best video equipment that I could get. I needed, what was the best camera, what was the best lighting, what was the best audio. A big thing I quickly realized when I was on this search for the best equipment to use is it is really so complex. There are so many different cameras to choose, so many different audio equipment options, lighting options, it just became overwhelming quickly. But what I really needed and what Michelle provided with me was one system, one solution to solve all of those problems and answer all of those questions. Plus all the other things that you really need to be thinking about. Things like strategy, what actual content am I going to create, how is my on-camera presence going to look, and then how do I actually successfully launch these videos on the right platforms so that people are actually watching them and engaging with them after I launch them. So what initially started as looking for the right equipment quickly made me realize in transition that the equipment wasn't the most important part at all. It was everything that Michelle had been teaching me deep beneath down the surface. How to feel confident on camera, how to have your personality come out so that you could really resonate with your audience. And the most important part of what she taught me was how to use stories effectively in your marketing, how to tell stories of you personally to resonate with your audience, how to tell stories of the customers that you were helping in your business and whose lives you were changing. See, at the end of the day, people resonate with people in the stories they tell. And the most important part of this was how to effectively tell stories. How to tell stories about you and your personal brand. How to tell stories about the customers you're working with and talk about how you've transformed their life over time. And at the end of the day, stories really help us resonate with other people who are watching our videos because stories allow us to build trust. And the trust we can build with our audience then leads to more sales and them becoming a part of our community to want to work with us more. So there's nothing more important than effectively telling stories through the powerful video that you're creating for your personal and company brand. So up until this point, I've been making these really cool videos using my smartphone and posting them to social media. But after I met Michelle, I really wanted to take my video game to the next level and really step it up. So she provided me with the best equipment I could possibly get, from my camera, to my lighting, to my audio, to what teleprompter to use for my launch videos. I had everything I needed to successfully make videos on a consistent basis. So on one hand, I wanted that pro setup, but on the other hand, I was always traveling and going to different marketing conferences, and I wanted to show behind the scenes and do a lot of interviews. So she was able to show me how I could run and gun and use my smartphone to quickly make videos on the fly too. So the best part about working with Michelle is that no matter what your specific situation, she can help you go quick, fast, low tech, low budget setup, all the way up to the professional style shoot that you really might need. So when I came to Michelle, of course I thought I was great on video, but with her on-camera coaching, I quickly realized that I could be so much better. So I worked with her and I was able to increase my confidence, my energy, my clarity in making my videos amazing in the day-to-day short term, that when my product launch came, I could take the same strategies I learned and make these amazing long-form product launch videos that turned out great. So when I came to Michelle, I realized that I was good at video, but her next level strategies made me realize there are so many little things that can really make you great on video. Things like taking my confidence up to the next level, giving me more energy on camera, and being comfortable to make videos consistently every week and then take those videos to making your launch videos even better. So the way that all this has helped me take my business to the next level is it's given me the right process and system to consistently batch my videos and release weekly content on all of my social media channels that has helped grow my audience and is setting me up perfectly to have an amazing product launch for my new membership community online. What's different about Michelle is that she really cares. She cares about your business like it's her own. Michelle really has the experience that I was looking for, and she gets real results whether you're just starting out in business or you're a multiple 7-figure business owner through her video and online launching experience. What I've realized is that it's really easy to sit on the sidelines and stay behind the scenes, but Michelle's really been the bridge to give me the courage and the confidence that I need to go all in on myself and launch my business in a big, big way. So if you're really serious about using video and online launches to explode your business in a big way and grow your brand, I highly recommend that you reach out to Michelle as soon as possible to get started working with her today.